Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to zoom in Capcut. As you can see right now, I have a sample video over here and we're going to teach you how to zoom into your videos. So first things first, select the scene that you want to zoom into. And as you can see here on the right side, you will be able to see the position and size under Video and Basic. So all you need to do is to move the scale accordingly and move your clip just like that. And by doing that, you will be able to zoom into that specific or into a specific section of your video. You could use keyframing so that you could adjust the way it is zoomed. So let's fix this for now. There we go. Let me mute this so that we will be able to hear. So for example, we could start from this, play it a bit, and then zoom it a bit on a specific section that you want. Add a keyframe. Well, it should add a keyframe. Let's fix this. There we go. And play it. And then move it back to normal. There we go. And so if we try it, as you can see, it will zoom in and then go back to normal. So play around with the different keyframes, the different settings, and you will be able to create a zoom effect and a zoom in Capcut. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.